Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Today, we're going to start a new topic, topic 3. Add tens and ones on a 100 chart. In this topic, we'll be learning about how to add tens and ones. And we will be also learning and practicing how to use special strategy to add. We can also learn how to solve one-step and two-steps problems. And we're going to use also problem solving with sentence. So please open your book, page 93. Topic 3, lesson 1. This is a 100 chart. So let's see.
How can you use the 100 chart to help you find 32 plus 43? Explain. Write an equation to show the sum.
All right. Let's watch our video.
You can add on a 100 chart. Find 54 plus 18. Start at 54. One way is to add the tens from 18. Move down one row to show 110. How many rows down is 64 from 54? 64 is one row down from 54. How many tens is that? It is 110. How much more is 64 than 54?
Select your answer.
All right. Before we answer this, let's just refresh our memories with what we have here. 54 and 18. This is two-digit number. So we have tens and we have ones. So the tens for the first addends is 5, which is 5 tens, 50. And then the ones is 4. For the second addend, we have 18. So the tens is 110 and the ones is 8. So when we add here, 54 plus 18, I look at the tens. How many tens do we have? 1. So when I add tens, if you remember, we go down on my 100 chart. So that's mean I'm going to go down 110. That's mean one row. So this is one row, 64. And then how many ones we have? 8. So we're going to count 8 ones. All right. Before we go to that step, let's answer this question. How much more is 64 than 54? Select your answer. So how many? Did we go one row or 2 or 3? We went only one row. So it's 10.
It is 10 more. Now add the ones. You are already at 64. Now move ahead 8 to show 8 ones. How many spaces ahead is 72? You need to go to the next row to add them all. 72 is 8 spaces ahead. How many ones is that? 8 ones. How much more is 72 than 64? 72 is 8 more than 64. How much more is 72 than 54? 72 is 18 more than 54. Another way is to add the ones first. Move ahead 8 to add 8 ones. Then move down one row to add 110. 54 plus 18 equals 72. I get the same sum both ways. Now you know how to add using the 100 chart.
I can add really fast with the 100 chart.
All right. So as we see now, if we go for the first method or the first strategy, you add the tens, and that's when we go down 110 because the number or the second addend was 18. On a tens, I have only 110, and then after that, I count the ones, 8. So I count 8 to get to the right answer. Or the second strategy or the second idea that you add the ones first. So you count 8. And when we count the ones, you count one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 62 if I'm adding the 8s. And now I'm going to add the ones. So I'm going to go down because I know, I'm sorry, I'm going to add the 10s. So I know when I'm adding 10s, I have to go down. It depends how many 10s. I go down with the row. So since it's 110, I'm going down only one row. And as you see, the sum or the total was the same, 72.
Max says that to find 54 plus 18 on a 100 chart, you can start at 54, move down 2 rows, and move back 2 spaces. Do you agree? Explain.
Of course, if you go what we did, exactly that we did. So yes, 18 is 2 less than 20. So that's how we can do it in this way. So you can go 2 rows if you want to do it this way and back the 2 space. So it's the same as if you're going ahead 18 space, like 1 row and 8 ones. So that's another way. All right, let's see what we have here in our guided practice, page 95. I'm sorry, 94. All right, we have here the 100 chart, and we have our equation, 17 plus 32. So here the 17, I look at my second addend, 32. Where's my tens? The 3. That means I'm going down 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And my ones are 2, so I'm moving to the right 2 blocks or 2 boxes. And then read your number, 49. Okay, so let's do together. Number 2, 28 plus 21. I'm gonna come, look at my 28. How many I need to add? 21 means 2 tens and 1 ones. 2 tens means 2 row. So I'm gonna come here, 28. I'll come look at my 28. I need to add 21. That's mean 2 tens. So I'm gonna go 2 tens, 2 rows, 1, 2, and 1 gonna be 49. So my answer will be 49. Okay, let's do number 3. 19 plus 20. Use a different color. Okay, 19 plus 20. 20, it's 2 tens, 2 rows. And the ones, I don't have anything. So I'm just need to go down 2 rows. So 19, 2 rows means 2 10. This is 1 10. This is the second 10. And what do I have? 39. So 39 is the sum of 19 plus 21. Okay, 18 plus 8. 18, let's take a different color. 18 plus 8. I look at the tens, I don't have anything. That means I need to count the ones. I need to count 8 numbers or 8 counts. So this is what I'm starting from. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Landed on 26. So 18 plus 8 is 26. So I'm going to put here 26. It's simple and fun. All right, let's go for next page. I'm going to help you with one example. All right, independent practice, page 95. We have 33 plus 9. 33 plus 9. We know the rules. I'm going to look for number 33. Going to put my circle on 33 because I don't want to lose it. Plus 9 means no tens, only ones. So I know for the ones, I'm going to move to the right, counting nine numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Landed on 42. So 33 plus 9 equals 42. And I put my total on my sum here. All right. So that's it for today's lesson, using the 100 chart to get addition. And we use the strategy. We know that we look at the tens, then we count how many tens we have. Let's say like here, we have 7 tens. So you're going to go down 7 rows because each row means 1 10. And then we're going to move to the right to count the ones. All right, second graders, that's it for today's lesson. Thank you.